Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, the Topper Chef channel. Today we are going to make the juiciest rotisserie chicken in our Pampered Chef air fryer. If you haven't subscribed to our Topper Chef channel, please do so and press the bell icon to know about our new upcoming videos. For this recipe, you're going to need one small chicken, not more than 4 pounds, olive oil, any type of seasoning. I'm going to use what is called the Tony Chachere seasoning, which is a Louisiana based seasoning. It has nice spices with it, and to that I'm going to add some onion powder, garlic powder, and some butter. Now I'm going to do 2 types of marinade. One is inside the skin and one is outside the skin. That's how you get the juiciest rotisserie chicken. Okay, for the initial seasoning, what I'm going to do is add some nice of this Tony Chachere and onion powder, okay, garlic powder, and little olive oil. The reason is we're going to put this inside the skin, okay? So there you are, just mix it properly. Let it blend well into the olive oil. Okay, now we are ready to put it in the chicken. Okay, so what happens with rotisserie chicken is everybody's focused on the skin and the marinade. So when you actually eat inside, it is very dry. So what I do is usually open this up, the skin, like this, and just pour this marinade slowly inside so it spreads, and the breast of the chicken is not very dry when you eat it. So here you are, just rub it all the way in, and it will soak right in all the way because it's olive oil. It will, while it's cooking, it will go inside and not dry up the chicken. So this is one marinade. Now then we are going to put the second marinade on the chicken. Okay, so now this chicken is nice and dry. Okay, we marinated it inside. Now what I usually do is put it on my skewers and then put the marinade on top, because if you do it before, all the marinade, by the time you put this, all the marinade drains off from up and down and everything. So I'm gonna put the skewers first. It goes through the cavity right here, and this part goes inside. There you are. And as usual, connect the other side and get it ready. Okay, so this is how you make it secure inside. So you put this right here, okay? It goes all the way through, and tighten up this screw here. And then I'm gonna tie it up and marinate this very well. Okay, I put all my skewers in. Now I'm gonna put room temperature butter. And first I'm gonna baste the butter on both sides, and then sprinkle my Tony Chachere seasoning on top of it. Let's begin. All the way, all crevices, everything. Okay, here you are. Even the inside. And I'm gonna flip it over. Now see, this is why I put butter, because this really sticks well on the skin and it marinates it well too. So you can put generous amount of it, the way you want to spice it up. And this will rotate and give the nice seasoning, plus the drippings will be great. Same thing back again. Put the butter generously around and then marinate it too. Okay, so the marinade, the seasoning is going well on this. While I'm doing that, I'm also telling you to subscribe to our channel and visit our blog at tofferchef.com. Okay, so now we gotta definitely tie this chicken up properly so it doesn't move around and open up while it's cooking. So here we go. Okay, so this is how the chicken has to look, because if you don't tie it properly, it will just flop around and it might fall down once it is cooked. So you want it to be tied properly, and the seasoning has to be there. Let it season for at least half an hour. Then we're going to put it in our air fryer. Okay, so now our chicken is marinated for about half an hour. We're going to put it in our air fryer. It's very simple process. You got to tilt it a little bit, get it in this groove, and then get it in that groove right there, right here, and that's it. Okay, so here we go. So we go put it to rotisserie, press it again, and then get the temperature. The time. I'm going to set it for 60. That is an hour. And the temperature here, what it says, has to be at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 200 degrees centigrade. And voila, here it is cooking. Okay, so now this is out, our rotisserie chicken from the Pampered Chef air fryer. Now you can easily do it in a regular oven, and this is how it's going to come out when you actually cook it in your regular oven. Okay, so now I'm going to take all this off. Pull this slowly one side and then remove this, and of course you gotta take this off and slowly pull this. We cut all the strings off. Look at this amazing brown chicken, and this is, here you are, our Pampered Chef chicken. Amazing, brown and beautiful, ready to eat. Okay, so we got our mashed potatoes and the Pampered Chef chicken. Amazing, we cooked it. Look at that, nice, amazing color. Enjoy this recipe. Happy cooking.